how to set screensaver on MacBook Air. And okay guys, here in your MacBook Air, okay, go to System Settings. Here in System Settings on left side, go to Screensaver. Here in Screensaver, as you can see, the screensaver is set into Ventura. So to change or set this, okay, you'll have to do is select from option below. So for my example, I set the screensaver into Flip Up, and you can see the preview of this screensaver by clicking the preview button here. This is the Flip Up screensaver. So if you want to change the color pop up on this Flip Up screensaver, so you'll have to do is click the option button here, and you can see the source. The source is color. So to set, okay, or set a image into your screensaver, okay, click the arrow up and down button here and select the choose folder. Now you can select the folder of the image you want to add to your screensaver. So for my example, I put this logo Richard Cabile and click choose button to save as a source of this screensaver. So you can uncheck the shuffle slide order, or you can check this. And after that, click OK button to save. And okay, we can preview again by clicking the preview. And that's it. Okay, we have successfully set the screensaver on MacBook Air.